The most significant change was adding a new RouteGenie Generic Template. Makes it really, really easy for you to take a spreadsheet of trips. We added a whole bunch in Kentucky, 10 different new imports added to RouteGenie. Welcome to the 2024 review series for Inside the Lamp. My name is Jonathan Anthon, co-CEO here at RouteGenie. In this video, we're going to be talking about enhancements we made to some of our trip import templates and reporting, and really cool enhancement we made with our new reporting tool. If you're watching this video, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe or follow depending on what platform you're on so you don't miss any of our other videos. We've got a few other 2024 review videos that we're doing with other topics throughout the software, and make sure you check out our 2025 preview videos. We're going to show you some of the enhancements we're going to make throughout this year. They're going to have a huge impact on your business, so make sure you like and follow. But let's dive into these enhancements we made to our templates and reporting. All right, so we talked about some of the integration enhancements we've made, but some folks are still using the trip imports for a lot of their payers. So we've made a lot of enhancements to trip imports and added a whole bunch of new payers here in 2024. The most significant change was adding a new RouteGenie Generic Template. We had a generic template before, but it was a little bit tougher to use because of formatting, etc. The new template's very, very flexible, different date formats, different time formats. Makes it really, really easy for you to take a spreadsheet of trips, play with it a little bit, mold it to get into that RouteGenie generic template, and then upload those trips in bulk. So you're not having to enter them, each and every one by one. So that RouteGenie generic template is great for those of you that have a payer, or even if you do a one-time import of trips, perhaps, that is not one of our existing templates, you can go ahead and mold it to that generic template and get those trips into RouteGenie quickly and easily. We added a whole bunch in Kentucky. For those of you out in Kentucky, LKLP, who is actually using the RouteGenie broker solution that we talked about a little bit. So for those of you that are working there, you can't do a direct connection with LKLP to be able to send data over live using our integration with ourselves, essentially, for our broker solution. So really efficient there. We also have the trip import available if you prefer to use that. We also have Federated, Bluegrass, Specialty Mobility Services, and Grits all in Kentucky. So for those of you in Kentucky, you are all set. We've got everybody you're working with pretty much ready to go for trip import into RouteGenie. We also added this year a few others across the country. Fresno Pace out in California. We added Metro Access as well as Ride to Care out in Oregon. So all in all, almost 10 different new imports added to RouteGenie to make life easy and get those trips in quickly and efficiently. All right, let's jump over to one more really important topic. A very quick one with some big upgrades is reporting. We've made a lot of changes to reporting this year. We've added a whole bunch of different reports and filters. I'm not going to go through a huge list of those. Obviously, there's a bunch of them, but I want to talk about one of the major enhancements we made to reporting, which is canned reports. And the first canned report is a KPI summary report, which is really cool. If you have not looked at your KPI summary report, do me a favor, go in, look at it for maybe the month of December. And pull that KPI summary report. There's going to be a lot of valuable data for you in there. And that's the first canned report that we've launched. So the canned report section appears when you open reporting, where you used to see your personal templates or shared templates. Now you go to create report and you have order reports and you have driver reports, and you'll see canned reports there as well. And the canned reports are essentially reports where you don't have to add any fields. You don't have to do anything. You're just picking a date range. It's going to be popular things that we've seen from our customers that are commonly used. And essentially, you'll just click the report, choose a date range, and it's going to spit out that version of the report for you. So there's a lot more coming here. We're going to add a lot more to the canned report section. We'll probably move some things to the canned report section as well that aren't already there. Things like on-time performance that could be a canned report. We'll move some of those things into canned reports as well. So you'll see more and more of those throughout 2025. But a cool concept for those of you that don't want to maybe go in and build everything custom. You just want, hey, just give me the information I need. You're going to see a lot of those reports come out, and the KPI summary report is going to contain a lot of that data. So make sure you go check that out. Really valuable reporting data there. And of course, with reporting, if there are any suggestions you have for canned reports, things that would help you and that you think will help other providers, please let us know. You can do that through the suggested features section in the help desk, or by calling our support team. Just give us a call at 1-877-599-6560. and you can make your suggestions through them. They'll pass them along to our team. A lot of these things that we're talking about that we're building are things that are suggested by our customers or requested by our customers. That's how we make most of our development decisions, is who's requesting what and how often is it being requested. So if there's things that you want in the software, number one way to make it happen is to let us know that you want it, because if you don't know, then we can't adjust to your needs accordingly. So the more people that request things, the more likely they are to come out. So if there's something you want in RouteGenie, please be sure to let us know so we can take that into consideration. Again, make sure you like and follow, catch all of our 2024 review videos. We made some big enhancements to broker integrations with our broker partners and added some really cool new broker integrations. We made some cool updates to the driver app. And one of the really cool things we did was launch the RouteGenie Broker Edition. So if you're a broker that's watching, or if you've been interested in growing your business and not becoming just a provider, but also becoming a broker, you're going to want to check out the new features for RouteGenie Broker Edition in that video. And again, make sure you check those 2025 preview videos out. Really cool stuff coming in those. Like and follow. Don't miss any of the other videos. Comment below with what else we should be doing in 2025, and we will talk to you soon. Welcome to the 2024 Inside the Lamp. Okay, not. I am. Please be sure to let us know so we can take that into consideration. End section.